Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel, World of TREDEC. At this time I am reviewing this collectible model kit from Matchbox, but this is a Matchbox Lesney. This is not from Mattel, from Lesney. Lesney means England, not China or something like that. This is a very interesting model kit. It was one of the first designs of that Hawker Siddeley 125/600. So I will put this example in my YouTube studio, in my flamboyant YouTube studio, as always, and I will start with the main box, the main art box. Okay, it's showing the jet. It's now a business jet, but this is a prototype, as I told you. It's Matchbox, the Hawker Siddeley, as I told you. It's the main logo, original logo from Matchbox Lesney. It's 1/72 scale kit, Hawker Siddeley 125/600. Contains small parts, not recommended for children under 36 months. Who painted this wonderful art is this artist. It's Roy Huxley. Roy, R-O-Y, Huxley, H-U-X-L-E-Y. This model kit is made in 1973. It's got a 3-colored kit. I will show you how it looks like when you assemble the aircraft without painting. Okay, this is a medium box. This is the main cover. I will show you the larger sides. Both are the same, so I will describe just one. The Matchbox logo and the circle for writing the price. That area, the stores usually write the price here. This is the number or the code for the catalog, PK110. 3-color kit. It's written in 4 languages, French, German, Spanish and Italian. You can build this aircraft without painting the parts. The wings are in dark red, the turbines and the top of the tail are in black, and the main body with part of the tail are in white. So it looks like it looks very good. They are recommending that finished model with parts and decals as supplied, no painting necessary. If you want to build this way, no problem. It looks very good. I painted the model, so no building process, as I told you before. And this is with the decals on the surface. And this side is the same of the other side. The name of the aircraft with number or code to search it from the Matchbox catalog. The back of the box is showing the painting or color plan. It's got 2 versions. One is the RAF or Royal Air Force number 32 Squadron, Northolt, and the other one is Hawker Siddeley demonstration aircraft. I built this way. I made this making. Uh, I will show you more ahead, but I didn't paint the turbine in silver chrome. I painted with the same color with the main body. The British registration is Golfo Alpha Yankee Bravo Hotel, and the other one is X-Ray X-Ray 507. Okay. 1974. Sorry. Lesney Products and Company Ltd. Made in England, because it's Lesney. This is a very important feature. It's a little window, transclear window, showing what's inside the box. So that's a very interesting guide in order to see how the pieces are. The model is already built, so you are watching this empty and used sprues. There's another sprue, and let's start with the building instructions. It's with the same cover, but I will open it up, and this is a very long paper, very long, and starting with the main cover, the color list. They will use white, airframe silver, night black, gunmetal. What else? Interesting colors. Gunmetal, aircraft gray green, flesh, scarlet. Scarlet should be red, kind of red. How to apply the coarse paper on the surface. How to paint the small parts like wheels, tires, struts, intake and exhaust parts of the turbines, dividing wall, seat, the pilot seat, the pilots, and the inner cockpit. The interesting thing and very attractive to me is the display stand design. It's made with transclear plastic, and the base is M shape, M as in Matchbox. That's very original design, with a support and a ball with a socked system. It allows to get the movement with a pivot or something like that, and you could orient the aircraft in horizontal position, taking off or landing, or maybe turning around. Well, that's what I like about the Lesney productions. On the other side, on the back, how to assemble the parts. Step number one, the cockpit, sorry, with the pilots and seats. Second step, the halves, the fuselage. Nothing inside, nothing interesting inside, just the windows and the cockpit. Step number three, assembling the turbine, and it's got the same advantage of the jet commander. You don't have to mask the turbine in order to define the chrome parts of the intake and exhaust cone. Step number four, it's the fuselage already assembled, the nose, windscreen, turbines, the top of the wing of the tail, the rest of the wings, main wings, assembling with two halves each to the main body, the landing gear, the main and the front part of the landing gear. All the assembling of the landing gear with the hatches under the aircraft in order to put in on the ground or in the flying mode if you want to do this way. So this is the description about the building instructions. You saw already the spruce. I don't have the original decals paper because it's already applied to the model surface. That's it. That is the model already built. I built it I think 5 years ago or something like that, with the Matchbox display stand and the name of the aircraft in front of the display stand base. It should be placed right here or right here, but I decided to apply it in the front area. Okay, let me spin it around a little bit more. You see how it looks like with the British registration. The turbines, I didn't paint it as I told you in the silver chrome or chrome silver, just the tops, the extremes, or the tops, the front and the rear part. Nothing inside. The decals or decors are completely applied. Let me take it away from the spinning base and get a close-up of the aircraft. Get out, get out. Okay. That's a wonderful aircraft. I painted before assembling, so you could see a not hidden beam, but not yellowed. So I decided to keep it this way, no problem. The windscreen, the main landing gear in front with the open hatch, like the aircraft is trying to landing or taking off. Navigation light under the aircraft. You see the shiny effect because of I polished the painting, and I covered it with a very shiny varnish. Look at the tail with decals applied. 126, yes, 125. It looks like a 6 wrongly. Okay, the detail of the tail with the navigation light at the top. What else? This is a very fantastic British engineering of the Hawker Siddeley. Let's check this part. The main door, the 600 number on this area, the 6 windows, the anti-freezings painted in chrome silver. Anti-freezings just like the rest of these parts. Okay, that's wonderful. I oriented this way like it is taking off or landing. Okay, I will put this way and bring the box back in order to say goodbye to this short review. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I will upload another one, Hawker Siddeley, but it would be a desktop model from another company and recent issue. So well, that's it for now, so let's go on to the next review. Bye bye.